Hi and welcome to Solar, and thanks for joining me. This journey is not just about fluid art, it's about my faith as well. If you're new to this channel, welcome, I'm Sonia. Today I'm going to be just doing an easy pour with some leftover paints. I'm going to be using a little silicone inverted flower cup and pouring the paints on top, and then I'm going to be using my spinner today to spin those colours out to cover the canvas. So please stay tuned as I get pouring and make a creation as unique as you. Just before I get started, I'm reusing a canvas that has been sitting around for ages. I didn't know what to do with it, so I'm just going to go over it. This is my silicone inverted flower. It's a little cup and it's got like 10 indentations in it, so as I pour it'll come out like that. I've got it on top of my spinner all ready to go. I've made this spinner myself, and I've got these little stoppers to stop the canvas from flying off. So here are all my colours today. I think I might start off with nice purple colour. This colour is actually been mixed with other purples, so it's just a purple at this stage. I don't know exactly what's in it. So you just pour it in the middle till it starts to overflow. It fills the gaps. It's a nice little cool pattern on it. And just change colours. So I might do a bit of white, I reckon, as it flows out. I'll do the green. These are colours have all been mixed together. Like I said, they're leftover colour paints. So all the colours have been mixed with other similar colours, so they're not exactly making. Same with the orange, all been mixed together with other colours. The ingredients that I've mixed these paints with are pretty much the same. There's no nasties or anything that shouldn't go together. See the awesome little pattern it makes? I hope you've all been having a really good week. I landed a new job during the last few weeks, which is really cool. I work in a public school, and I've now just landed a position in a private school, which I'm thrilled about. So I'm so looking forward to it. It's a Christian school, and you know, being a Christian myself, it's definitely going to help my faith grow, and also to be able to talk to other students, to other people about my faith. It's a bit harder doing that in the public school, but that's okay. I'm just going to let God lead me where He wants me to go. Ultimately, God is my boss. I do need to follow, of course, I need to follow the rules and do what my earthly boss tells me to do, and as long as it's within the boundaries and so forth, doing the right thing. But it's exciting. I don't start until 2026, but it's exciting news for me. I'm looking forward to it. Also means, unfortunately, that we're going to need to move house. I mean, it's not a bad thing. We're really struggling to afford the rent here at the moment. It just continually seems to go up every year. It's a good opportunity to move. We can cull a heap of stuff that we don't need, but it also means that I have to be wary of how many paintings I do and when the last one is to do it, because it's got to dry in time, and I don't want to, cause too much problems with that. So just see how that goes. The good thing is we won't be moving till April, round about there, so we've got plenty of time to find a new premises to move into. I don't enjoy moving, but it's a good time to get rid of a whole heap of stuff that has been accumulating into the house over the last few years. I have my dog underneath my feet. He had an operation on his paw, poor boy, and he's now got a cone on his head and his paw's all bandaged up. So yeah, it's good though. He hasn't got cancer, which is really what I was dreading might be, but it's just a benign lump on his foot. So thankfully it's been removed, and he's just a little bit upset because he has to wear a cone. Might even show you at the end of the video what he looks like, my poor boy. Bring you down for a look. It's not too bad. Interesting to see how it dries. We'll bring you back soon and we'll see the dried results. Well, while I'm cleaning up, I'm just going to show you where my dog Hobbs ended up after I kicked him out so he wouldn't get paint on him. Just here, near the shed door. He didn't want to go too far from his mum. Poor boy. Here it is, all dry. I'm not a big fan of it, and that's okay. Part of it, I think, is because of the way the colours have turned out and the design. But that's okay, I can always paint over this. This is about the 3rd time I've used this canvas, and it was only leftover paints, so I'm not fussed. There are some good little effects in it. A few little cells have come out. That's probably about the only thing I really like about it. Other than that, it's okay. But tell me what your thoughts are in the comment section. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.